Hello everybody. Excel reporting with a few clicks and business central? That's a dream? No, no longer with our app NCE Excel Builder from AppSource. So let me show you how this works. NCE Excel Builder is an app from AppSource, and I can click here on search and key in Excel. And if I do not have the solution already installed, I can do this here on the bottom line. It's called NCE Excel Builder by Navrats from Microsoft AppSource. Click on that, use it for 30 days without any costs, drill it, try it, it's for free. But anyway, in this case, I already have installed the app here, and that's why I use the solution NCE Excel Evaluations. That's the one that I want here for this one. And now, as I told you for a couple, how can you install the reports with a few clicks? Now, it's very easy. Click on Actions, select the Action Download area from our company. And as you can see, a lot of different examples, a lot of different reports are available here for download. We update the list permanently in, let's say, every week, every month. There are new reports available for download, and they're all for free. So in this case, I want, let's say, for instance, a report that is called Sales Payment Duration. Click on that, select that, and click on the Action Download. In a couple and a few seconds, the window here appears and asks me, how would you call the report in your solution, your business central environment? And this case, let me say, I key in demo, okay? So that's the only thing what I have to do here now. The code is selected, and the next thing is click on OK. Yeah, fine. And as you can see, it's downloaded. It's in my business central solution now, and I can click OK here, say yeah, that's fine for me, close the download area window, and yeah, here it is, demo. That's the one that I have downloaded now in a really few seconds with only just 1 or 2 clicks. So, and now select it and say run, or let's say in this case execute, and it rolls the report. The request form opens. I can set some filters if I want. No, it's okay, it's fine for me, and click on OK. And yeah, that's it. And here on the bottom line, it downloads the data to my local device, and it's working on iPhones, it's working on other devices too. And yeah, click on open. That's the only thing Excel will open here, or any other, let's say, app that can work with Excel spreadsheets. Yeah, and now that's it. Nothing else to do. Just wait that Excel opens. And yeah, thank you for watching me today. And I hope you will enjoy giving us your business as much as we enjoy taking you for a ride.